Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to sell your SAFEMOON. Lots of people ask how to sell. So here we go. Click on your Trust wallet and you see this screen, and click on the browser button and click on the pancake swap and click here and change it to SAFEMOON, which you want to swap. And then I'm just converting the portion of my portfolio, so I'm clicking max and I'm just converting this much to BNB. Right, so estimated I'm getting 0.87. Approve SAFEMOON, send. So wait. Alright, then swap. Alright, see, everything is good. Confirm swap, send, and close. So now you close this screen and go to your wallet and refresh it. So that's how you get the smart chain 0.7889. See, you can sell, so there is no any risk. After you purchase, you can sell and make money. Thanks for watching.